All right, folks, we said it early, Jamaica full of talent, a lie? And taking the smile stage now is a past student of our den who won gold at the JCDC National Festival for the Performing Arts. Here is Gideon Thompson with his piece called Rootsman. Hey!
Rootsy, 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 rootsy. You don't know, say the Rasta man on the scene come buy from my stall if you want your body clean. Yes, it's a upful thinking and a upful thought. Buy some coconut water for wash off your heart. You want a spirulina? Taste so good you can put it in the cleaner. Hey, you mummy, you over there, you look like you have arthritis in your hand. The way you walk, it just catch me attention. Yes, you want some turmeric and ginger? Give blood circulation and make blood run up and down in your finger. Yes, you don't know, say $1,000 for the roots wine, man. Me nah rob ya, man. I am the ROOTS, the roots man. I have the ital remedy in my right hand. Cancer, diabetes, circulation. I remedy is the cure, it is the herbal plan. Those therapeutical drugs, that long prescription. By now you know it a kill the nation. I am the ROOTS, the roots man. One where I name Ras Gideon, your back weak. You need some strength down in your line. You ever hear about the bush when name Vervine? Face full up of acne, you feel you can't cope. Turmeric and ginger I used to make my soap. Yo youth, you no want a peanut punch. You can walk with it and drink it for your lunch. You're weaker, you need to make your body stronger. Just purchase a buckle of my spirulina. Rasta man no need for cuss. We no need for quarrel. I know a soon time for you collect your barrel. Before you celebrate with my friend when name Carol, make a toast with the wine we make from sorrel. Fire upon the bleaching, no bleaching round here. But if you want a smoother texture, charcoal soap is right here. Whatever problem you face, home or anywhere. Jamaica, the roots man is right here. I am the ROOTS, the roots man. I have the ital remedy in my left hand. Cancer, diabetes, circulation. I remedy is the cure, it is the herbal plan. Therapeutical drugs, long prescription. By now you know it a kill the nation. The ROOTS, the roots man. One where I name Ras Gideon. From early me a hustle. 6 this morning, some people bad eye me, some people just start looking, but I know. Say I have to depend the juggling, make a food so the empress can start the cooking. Doctor, teacher, even the pastor, your man me big in a miss, your man me big in us, hepatitis, HIV, syphilis, pneumonia. And me build the cure for chikungunya. That's why me stay true and not for blaze me fire upon all the thief in hospital them and the thief in doctor. Control the population with the pen and paper when you can love the Mary Jane when make your brain wiser. Me know where me I do, it a go be a big risk. Them can jail me anytime cause me grow cannabis. Here what? Me a go cure every sickness. The original, the general, the Rasta herbalist. The ROOTS, the roots man. I have the ital remedy in both of my hand. Cancer, diabetes and circulation. I remedy is the cure, it is the herbal plan. Those therapeutical drugs, that long prescription. By now you know it a kill the nation. I am the ROOTS, the roots man. One know where I name Ras Gideon. Yeah man, mummy, come buy from my stall, man. Don't fret.